Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a video that I'm pretty excited about. I subscribed to Birchbox. Now, I've seen Birchbox being advertised everywhere for absolute years, but I never ever subscribed to it. I recently subscribed to it and I got my first box through. I'm quite gutted though because I'm waiting on my December box come in. This is my November box. I'm waiting on my December box come in, but I think I'm going to unsubscribe to it and get the Glossy Box because my big cousin got it and it looks so much better than the Birch Box. But I'm going to give November and December a trial before I decide to unsubscribe to it. So I got my November box through. I am filming this a bit late, I'm into December now, but I'm finally getting round to it. So it came in this big box and it actually comes in this box and it says "Hello Beautiful Birch Box." So I thought the packaging was really cool, that's why I actually kept the big box. Now I can throw it out. Harry will be very happy about that. Inside it comes with obviously the box itself. So taking it out the sleeve, right, I was not keen on the design of this box just for the fact that it's Frozen 2. I know they're trying to advertise that Frozen 2 is out into the cinema or something, but it just looks very childlike. But we'll see what the December box comes like and I'll film that for you as well. But it's cute. I think it would be cuter if the audience was children getting this, but I don't think a lot of the people getting this box are children. Anyway, it's cute. So you open it up and then it comes with a little leaflet. Obviously it's got Frozen on the front again saying it's in cinemas November 22nd. I haven't even seen the full of the first one. When I used to work in nurseries, that was all I would hear, so I haven't actually sat down and watched any of the movies because Do You Want to Build a Snowman is just stuck in my brain. So it just tells you everything that you've got in the box. So this is what it looks like inside. Since this was my first box, the November box was giving away a full-size Pixie glow mist, so I'm very excited about that. We got that free, so that's amazing. So it's a Pixie Skin Treats glow mist with propolis and argan oil. So I don't actually know what this is. I've never really used Pixie before, but it's an all-over face mist for glowing, luminous and smooth complexion, enriched with 21 natural oils plus propolis, aloe vera and fruit extracts. So I'll have to give that a go, but that's the first thing that comes in the box, which I find amazing. It says it's full size. I don't know what full size Pixie products look like, but I'm going to take their word for it. It's cool how all the oil you can see bubbling together. That's cool. So that is the first thing. Now, one thing I'm excited about for these Birch boxes, and if I get Glossy Box, is so I can try new products. I usually tend to stick to what I know and what I like. So this give me little testers of new samples and things that I can try. It's just going to be really good, I think, because I can try new and I can broaden my products. Okay, so the first thing that comes in the box is the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Knot Free Forever Natural Leave-In Detangler, infused with Jamaican Black Castor Oil. The lightweight detangling and conditioning spray restores softness, strength and manageability whilst adding shine and moisture. It's the only prep product your beauty stash needs. After washing your hair, work it through tangles and knots for sleek, shiny locks, or spritz it over dry, frazzled strands for an instant moisture hit. And it gives you a fact as well, and the fact is the castor oil seeds used in Sunny Isles formulas are grown, harvested and processed by farmers in rural Jamaica. Now this is good for me because my hair is always tangly, I don't brush my hair every day. It's always in a bun or up in a ponytail, so it's always tangly. Got knots in it. The amount of times I've got to cut knots out my hair or rip them out my hair, which is just not good. So I will give this a try. Hair products are the products I tend to never really use. Like heat spray, hardly ever use it. The only hair product I will actually use is dry shampoo, and I think that says something a lot about my personality. But this is the little bottle here, and for a sample it is a decent amount. So it is, how much is this? 59 millilitres in this little bottle, so that is a decent size, so I will be trying that out. The next thing I have is this Sebamed Sensitive Skin Moisturising Body Lotion. Does it come, let's see what it comes like. and it's just a cute little tiny bottle. So this nourishing body lotion has a non-greasy formula that banishes dry winter skin to leave your limbs hydrated and happy. Extensive and effective list of ingredients like chamomile, glycerin and citric acid soothe, cool, moisturise and firm your skin. Okay, and then at the bottom it says, that's right, all of the Sevamed's products have been developed with the same pH level as healthy skin, making them suitable for all skin types. So that's good that it's actually suitable for all skin types. I will try this out, but I have just recently bought the vitamin E range body moisturiser. But I will try this out because obviously there's no point getting this box if you're not going to try everything out. Okay. The next thing, I can remember actually choosing the colour I wanted for this. This is the Lease Waiter Rouge Gourmand in Gingerbread. I think I chose gingerbread, yes I did. I'm going to open it and it's just this tiny little lipstick. Lease Waiter, I've never actually heard of this, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And it's just a toty little lipstick. Let's see if I like the colour. Oh, it's really glossy, but it is nice. So let's read. Sometimes we want punchy pigment without the fuss of a gloss or a dryness of a liquid lip. Enter Lisa Waiter's Rouge Gourmand lipstick. Its ultra comfortable formula simultaneously hydrates, softens and plumps your lips. Swipe on the rich creamy shade straight from the bullet for a hint of peach. And it says at the bottom, it's love. Packed with moisturising castor seed oil, the lipstick will never settle into fine lines. Now that's really good. I just hope when I try it on my lips it will have full coverage. That is just one thing about glossy lipsticks. They don't really tend to have the full coverage look that you want on your lip. So you tend to use lip liner, then they dry out your lips. So there's really no point in a glossy lipstick. I'll need to try this out and see how it is. And obviously it's just a sample, so if I don't like it, it doesn't really matter. I won't have to buy it. But I think this is cute to get in the box. Tiny sample size lipstick. Sticking with lips, I have this Bodyography Heatherberry lip pencil and it's in the shade, it's probably in the shade Heatherberry, yeah it is, it's in the shade Heatherberry. So the precise point of this lip pencil makes it easier than ever to frame, fill and define your lips. The super creamy coconut oil and vitamin E rich formula helps it glide on smoothly, just like a lipstick, and it keeps your colour from bleeding, feathering or moving outside the lines. Then it says, preach. Bodyography's ethos is beauty with a conscience, so they create cruelty-free, paraben-free and sulfate-free formulas. So, this is just the colour here. I actually really like this colour. Oh yeah, that's really smooth. It's definitely not going to feel like a drying lip liner like most lip liners feel, because that just glides on, and obviously it's got the coconut oil in it and vitamin E, so it will really feel nice on the skin. So yeah, I'm going to really enjoy this colour. On to the last thing we have is the Incredible Sparkle Like a Unicorn Illuminating Sheet Mask. And this is full size, and the lip liner is also full size, I've just seen that there. So this is a mask, and I actually don't know if I want to use this myself or give this as a Christmas present to someone, because they love unicorns. So I'm just going to read. This sheet mask infuses skin with mulberry, lemon and green tea extracts to brighten, lift dead skin, tighten pores and plump. Carefully unfold the mask and apply to clean dry skin. After 15 minutes peel it off and massage in any leftover serum. Blah blah blah. Then it says, yay, green tea is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from environmental damage. So that's really good that you get the full size mask. Obviously it's not going to be a sample size mask. But again, I don't know if I'm going to try this out myself or put it in a little Christmas present. That is all I have for this box. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 products normally, and then since it's my first box I got the full size pixie spray. Again, I don't know if I'm going to keep this subscription up. After the December box I might cancel it and try Glossy Box, but I just thought I would come on and show you guys. I will try out all the products and then I'll let you know in the next one if I enjoyed them all and what I'm going to do, if I'm going to keep getting the boxes or not. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and mini first impressions, and I will speak to you in my next one.